things you talk about in the book that I love is this whole concept of what's the worst that could happen.
Mm-hmm.
And I think when I talk to especially younger people, right, there's a lot of fear, right? There's a lot of, well, should I ask for that raise? Should I put myself out there? Should I ask for that next job? And I don't think they do enough thinking about, well, what's the worst that could happen?
Yeah, well, there are some really terrible things, but the truth is the odds of that are so small, and we over amplify the small percentage of likelihood of something really going dramatically wrong. In fact, it's probably not going to, just like everything in real life, the outside edges of the curve are the unlikely result.
Mm-hmm.
So just being able to calm yourself in maybe a trepidatious or fearful situation where you're trying to decide whether to maybe ask for a raise or ask for a promotion or anything else, maybe take a chance on a job interview that's outside of your scope, where maybe you don't have all of the qualifications that are there, but maybe you have just enough. You have to say, look, how bad could this be? Maybe you'll learn something. Maybe it's okay if you can come out of it with more information, more self-confidence, and that's really key, than you went in, then it was a great experience. And you have to be very conscious of how you define that experience. That's half the game. So not only is there this finding the sort of approach that says, it's okay if this doesn't work out, because that doesn't mean that it didn't work out.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then sort of wrapping your own personal story around whatever happened to be empowering versus disempowering, then you just keep moving. Then that kind of fear goes away. You're psychologically reducing the fear factor because the downside is minuscule and the result is irrelevant.